Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to keep Google Maps oriented with north always pointing up. This setting is very useful for navigation because it helps you maintain a consistent view of your route and surroundings without constantly adjusting the map direction manually. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top right. Then, from the menu, click on Settings. Then, scroll down and look for the option labeled Navigation. Tap on it to open the navigation settings. After entering the navigation settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Keep Maps North Up. Finally, toggle this option on to ensure that your maps always remain oriented with north at the top, no matter how you rotate your device. Once this feature is enabled, you can move around the map freely, but the orientation will stay consistent. This makes it much easier to understand directions and follow your route without confusion. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.